Stealing the village drum may be easy, but finding a place to beat it peacefully is the problem. African proverb. Analysis in the context of SPLMIO and Hun. Phar Kuol. In a political sense, this proverb speaks to the difference between acquiring power or influence through questionable means and the challenge of legitimizing and exercising that power without consequence or resistance. If we apply this to the SPLMIO, Sudan People's Liberation Movement in opposition and Hun, Phar Kuol, the metaphor becomes quite clear. Stealing the village drum, this can symbolize usurping power, position, or influence within SPLMIO or from the movement's structures, possibly through betrayal, manipulation, or defection. If Hun, Phar Kuol, has done something viewed by others in the movement as a betrayal or political maneuver to gain advantage or position, this is the theft. Finding a place to beat it peacefully. This refers to the difficulty of maintaining or exercising that ill-gotten power in a way that is accepted, unchallenged, or respected. Even if he managed to get the drum power, he cannot find legitimacy or peace while using it, because it was obtained without consensus or through dubious means. Implication for SPLMIO. In this context, the proverb illustrates a deep truth about legitimacy and political capital. Legitimacy matters. Political power not grounded in genuine support, unity, or transparency is often unstable. Leadership without consensus breeds division. The act of seizing influence without collective agreement leads to internal fragmentation, resistance, or even exile. Public scrutiny follows betrayal. If Phar Kuol's actions are seen as undermining the core values or leadership of SPLMIO, he may find himself isolated politically, trying to beat the drum where no one listens or worse, where others oppose him actively. Conclusion. The proverb encapsulates a warning. It's easy to grab power through cunning or force, but without legitimacy and unity, exercising that power becomes a burden. In SPLMIO's volatile context, Hun, Phar Kuol might be discovering that the real challenge isn't taking the drum, but beating it without causing uproar.